So in this case, we are going to continue with our revision on integers as we have got question number 1 given to calculate the following without the use of a calculator. Take note, without the use of what? A calculator. Show all steps. You are supposed to show all the steps in order for you to answer the questions that are given. 1.1, we are given 18 minus 10 plus 4 minus 6. All right, so these are typical questions that you can verify whatever that you are going to have on a calculator before answering, just to know your answer. 18 minus 10 plus 4 minus 6. You know that your answer is going to be 6. Writing that the answer here is equal to 6, you are not going to obtain full marks because of what? You did not show all the steps. So you must show the steps until the answer that we have, which is positive 6. So what can we do? All right, there are so many ways someone can choose to work out the ones with positives separately. I can add the 18 and the 4 as it is easier to simplify these two, 18 and a positive 4. The minus 10 and the minus 6 separately, again, these two can be simplified, all right? So meaning to say I'm going to have 18 plus 4, all right? 18 plus 4. Then the negatives, it's negative 6, negative 10 and what? Negative 6. So that's minus 10 minus 6. So this is it. Where we are, we can simply add the two. 18 plus what? Plus 4. It is easier for you to add positives, guys. 18 plus 4 is going to give us what? 22. You can even count your fingers. So this is what? 22. Minus 10 minus 6. It simply means we are going to the left. Minus 10 minus 6. We are going to the left. So it's going to be more negative. So moving 6 steps going to the left, we are going to end where? At negative 16. Or simply, if the two signs are the same like this, simply add the numbers and use that sign on your answer, minus. Then add the numbers 10 plus 6, which is what? 16. It is easier for you to subtract. From 22, remove 16. 22 minus 16 is going to give us what? It's going to give us a 6. Or you can say this is 22 plus minus 6, meaning to say at 22, you're going to move 6 steps going back. You end up, 16 steps. This is minus 16. 16 steps going back, you end up at what? At positive 6. So that was it. Same answer as before. So you can show any other way, or you can even simplify it direct as it is, to say 18 minus 10 is going to give us 8 plus 4 minus 6. Then you simplify this 8 plus 4, which is 12, minus 6. Then 12 minus 6, which is what? 6. Guys, any way that you understand, you're going to get the same answer as long as you show or do the proper calculation. 1.2, without wasting your time, minus 24 minus 18. We are back to the signs that are the same. A negative to a negative is going to give us what? A positive. A negative to a negative is going to give us a positive. So this is positive what? 18. So minus 24 will be here. Then plus 18 means we're going to move to the right 18 times. Where are we going to end up at? At negative 6. Or simply subtract 24 minus 18, that is 6. Then you take the sign of the bigger number, which is a negative. When the signs are different, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Then use the sign of the bigger number on your answer. The sign of the bigger number is negative. You use it on your what? On your final answer. All right. Like I said before, verification is also important using what? Your calculator. Negative 24. All right. Minus, then open the bracket, minus 18. That's it. Negative 6. You can see that you have got the same answer, so you cannot fail such type of questions because there is a calculator to verify. So when you see that it's not the same, redo until you get the correct answer. All right, you mark for yourself. Don't leave something that you know this is wrong, then you submit something like that. Work it out until you obtain the exact answer. All right, on 1.3 we are given 8 times minus 3 divided by what? Negative 6. All right, we can also use the concept of our BODMAS as we have got multiplication and division. But what happens with our BODMAS is that it is the same as the BODMAS. BODMAS. So multiplication division can be taken at the same time. BODMAS, BODMAS. You see, so where there is a multiplication, where there's a division, these two can be taken at the same time, no matter the order that you want. All right, so we can consider the multiplication first. These two will be easier as we have got this bracket and this is a single term that we have. So combine this single term, combine it, easier that way. So combining these two was going to give us what? A negative 2, a positive 8. A negative 3 to a positive 8 is going to give us a negative answer. So when you've got positive to negative, that is going to give us a negative. Then 8 times 3, which is 24, divided by what? A negative 6. So we are on division, same signs that you're working with, all right? Same signs that we are working with. A positive, a negative divided to a negative is going to give us what? A positive at the end. Minus over minus is going to give us a positive. So that's a positive 24 over 6. So that's a positive what? 4. 24 over 6. The highest common factor is 6. So you're going to divide by 6 by 6. So that's it, guys. It's going to be 4 over 1, which is what? Which is a 4. So that is a negative to a negative, positive. Then divide the numbers. You're done. Also verify to see if this is correct. The calculator is there. This is for verification now. 8 times what? As it is here. As it is. Open the bracket. Minus 3. Close it. Divide by what? Open the bracket. Minus 6. Just like that. So this is a positive 4. Exactly the answer that we are having here. So please do revise as many questions as you can as you are preparing yourselves for the tests that you're going to be writing very soon in March.